Hello guys, I am Ankita and you are welcome to Ancosite. I am a junior research fellow at University of Calcutta and I am carrying out my research on human reproductive system from Department of Physiology, Surendranath College Sealdah. Here we will discuss about complex life processes in a way that you can understand it with ease. So, let's get started. Human body is a piece of art created intricately by the Mother Nature. There are a lot of hidden organs or body parts that we don't even know existed. In this video, we are going to find out some of them. So, without further ado, here is 5 different body parts you have no idea existed. Number 1, floating bone. We all know that human skeleton comprises of a number of bones joined together forming bone joints. But there is a bone in human body which do not possesses any bone joint and remains suspended. Floating bone or the hyoid bone is the only bone in humans that does not articulate with any other bone. It is a horseshoe-shaped bone situated in the anterior midline of the neck between the chin and the thyroid cartilage. The hyoid bone is anchored by muscles from the anterior, posterior and inferior directions and aid in tongue movement and swallowing. The hyoid bone provides attachment to the muscle of the floor of the mouth and tongue above, the larynx below and the epiglottis and pharynx behind. Its name is derived from a Greek word which means shaped like the letter epsilon. Number 2, Dua's layer. It is one of the hidden organs of human system which remain undiscovered till 2013. It was first mentioned in a paper by Harminder Singh Dua's group at the University of Nottingham. Human cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye, bears 6 transparent layers, among which Dua's layer is the most recently discovered one. Hypothetically, it is just 15 micrometers thick and located between the corneal stroma and the decimex membrane. Despite its thinness, this layer is very strong and have the capability to withstand up to 2 bars of pressure. Not only that, this layer is completely impervious to air. The discovery of this layer has several medical implications. During corneal grafts and transplant, this layer helps the surgeon to improve the outcome of the surgery. The understanding of diseases of the cornea, including acute hydrops, may be affected if the existence of this layer is confirmed. Harminder Dua believes that from a clinical perspective, there are many diseases that affects the back of the cornea, which clinicians across the world are beginning to relate to the presence, absence or tear in this layer. Number 3, lacrimal punctum. Is it possible to see the lacrimal punctum in your own body? The answer is yes. If you tug your upper or lower eyelid away from your eye, you will see a red portion beneath the lower eyelid. It is called lacrimal papilla. Within the lacrimal papilla, you will see a tiny hole in the inner corner called the lacrimal punctum. It's easiest to spot on your lower eyelid as shown in the video. Therefore, the lacrimal punctum or lacrimal point is a minute opening in the summits of the lacrimal papillae seen on the margins of the eyelids at the lateral extremity of the lacrimal lake. Both these punctums collect tears produced by lacrimal gland. Lacrimal punctum play an important role in treating dry eye syndrome by using lacrimal plug. Number 4, anatomical snuffbox. Human anatomy is one of the most magnificent organizations of bones and tissues that creates wonders. One such wonder is anatomical snuffbox. So, how can you find this? If you pull your thumb away from your fingers, anatomical snuffbox is created on the lateral surface of the wrist as shown in the video. What is this anatomical snuff box? The anatomical snuff box or snuff box is a triangular deepening of the radial dorsal aspect of the hand at the level of the carpal bones. The name originates from the use of this surface for placing and then sniffing powdered tobacco or snuff. The anatomical snuff box forms the basis of the wrist joint. Number 5. The Palmaris longus. This is one of the most interesting body part that is visible under your skin. Let's first find out whether you have it or not. At first, touch your pinky with your thumb of the same hand and tightens the wrist muscle. A long rod-like muscle will pop up from the center of your wrist right under your palm as shown in the video. If it is not visible in your wrist, don't get scared. It is present only in 86% of the whole human population, and absence of it has no effect on grip strength of that particular individual. Now, where this muscle actually present? The Palmaris longus is a muscle visible as a small tendon running from the elbow to the palm. From an anatomical point of view, it is located between the flexor carpi radialis and the flexor carpi ulnaris. Scientists think the muscle is probably used to help primates grip and swing through trees. In humans, it helps in wrist flexibility, but absence of it make no fatal consequences. The most popular use of this muscle is for tendon grafts. When a tendon becomes ruptured in the wrist, the palmaris longus tendon may be removed from the flexor retinaculum and grafted to take the place of that ruptured tendon. Thanks for watching the video patiently, guys. If you like anything about the video, please hit the like button. For more such videos, please get in touch with me by subscribing my channel and also click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. I will be with you guys again in next week. Till then, goodbye.